I'm going to show you how to install N8N locally on your computer. N8N is a low-code, no-code platform where you can build automations like the one I have right in front of me. This is an AI agent automation that I've built. And if you want to use N8N, there are a few different ways that you can do that. One is through N8N's cloud service, where you can pay 20 to 50 euros per month, and they also have enterprise plans. The one problem with this is you only have a certain amount of executions and workflows that you can use and build, and you also get charged for it. Another option is to self-host it through different hosting platforms, where it ranges from 7 to 10 USD per month. You have unlimited workflows, but you still have to pay $7 to $10 a month. Now, the version I'm going to be showing you today is locally on your computer, and that it will be through Docker. So you have to come to docker.com and download Docker Desktop, and just download it for whatever system that you have. I have Apple Silicon, so I'm going to download this for Mac. So once Docker is downloaded, you will install it on your computer, and on Mac, I will just drag it over into my applications and it will install from there. And so there you go, Docker just installed, and now I will pull it up in my local computer. So it's just verifying Docker here. Docker is an app downloaded from the internet. Yes, I'd like to open it. Once everything is downloaded, you'll get pulled up to this screen, welcome to Docker, and you can either sign in to Google or you can skip and you don't have to create an account. Once you're in this Docker platform, you will come over to images and we will go search images to run. And from here, we will type in N8N and it will be the first one with 100 million downloads. And from here, you're going to go pull. Now the pull is in progress, and this is just pulling the image into the Docker for us to use. Once you have the image pulled, you will head over to run and you will see of optional settings, and this is to run a new container. Now the only thing you need to fill out here is the host port, and I just make it default and I enter 0. You can add a container name if you want to. I just leave everything default and add a 0 to the host port. So we're going to run this container now. And once the container is created for us, we'll see at the bottom, editor is now accessible, and we'll just click containers again, and we will see at ports, we'll have this local host link. And now that we followed the link from the Docker to N8N, we just create a new account here, and I will just create an account with you guys. And so there you go. Once you enter in your password, you can start making automations. Let's go create a workflow, and we'll go add first step. We'll add ourselves an AI agent and a trigger, and then you can start using N8N right from here. If you guys want more content like this, I just launched an AI school where we have a thriving community and we talk about AI every day. And we also have classroom sections where you can download all of my free templates. All you have to do is come to my resources, download the free template, and you're 90% of the way there. And if you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.